Hello there, my name is Josh. Welcome to Eva Trades. Enjoy the show. Let's go. Good morning, everybody. This is the Josh Man. Okay, I have a confession to make. I'm not sure you want to hear this, but I'm a little camera shy, so this is going to be something for me to get over, but I'm sure we'll get there. Anyways, good morning, as I said, and here we are back in the simulator again after a day of trading in the actual stock market. Yesterday making $171 trading real money, a series of 3 trades, and now we get to wait and do it all again next week. Maybe I'll live stream, if I can get it set up. But right now I'm going to go ahead and push play. Let's take a look at some levels and stuff like that. So AUVI is extended here on the 15-minute up above the EMAs, but we see that a lot. There is this pivot point here that we got above, so we could pull back to that 234 level. Take a look at that on the 5-minute. Kind of already did back test it right there. Let me make sure I'm on the correct charts. Yep, okay. I'm going to be double checking that. I'm still in the process of setting up another computer, a whole nother computer just specifically for handling the recording of everything, and it'll be on a different monitor that I can see, so I can just kind of glance over once in a while and make sure we're on the right stuff for your viewing pleasure. So let me see here. So we do have some support down here. So just kind of moving up gradually, higher low, higher low, higher low. Kind of getting that curve to it, like maybe it's going to turn and kind of roll over a little bit. So we'll see. Keeping an eye on the time. Equilibrium time here on BJDX. On the 15-minute time frame, we had this nice move up, pull back. Now we got this choppy kind of lower high. Looks like it's going to be a lower high. That 15-minute candle is going to close in 2.5 minutes. So I'm pretty sure that that's the top of that candle. So looking like we're probably going to pull back. Looking for a higher low. And anything above $1.52 is a higher low. So we want to stop somewhere down in this area and go back up and break that level, and then look for a break above that level and maybe even up to $2. We shall see. No promises there. The hourly candle with an upper wick here, I guess that could change. We're only halfway through that candle, so it could end up being a green candle. What? Yeah, let me see. Click and click and click. All right, so there's that level there that we just talked about, $1.52. We want to break $1.77 and $1.95 and get up above $2. So there we go. There we go. Okay, that's good. And over here on Jan, what time is it? 6:28. We have us kind of in a descending line. It's kind of hard to draw that. It's kind of a mess there, but we do have this. Whoops. Where do we go? We do have this one on the bottom. We could put a line down here and just say, hey, maybe that's some kind of support we could play off of. I don't know that it's going to come down there. So it's almost like a funky falling wedge, but it's kind of hard to draw lines on. Just know that in a falling wedge, you get lower lows, but the bears don't get a lot of follow through. Now there was some follow through, a close below that last swing low there, so you could call that follow through, I suppose. Have a resistance up here. Need to get above that level, above the VWAP. This is the only one so far trading above the VWAP. I'm going to go ahead and set my stop parameters now. So anything between 3 and 12 here. So I'm going to go with 8 and 6 and whatever, 8. That'll work. I guess I'm feeling 8 today. 8. Let's have a good day today. Get some of that trading done. Looking forward to it. What did I say here? 6. All right, the market's open. My stop parameters are not set yet. One more to go. That last one. APVO, no volume yet and pulling back. So where would my first entry be here on BJDX? We do have that support right there. Boy, breaking out already. And Jan looking to break through that resistance right there. The one that we said we need to get above. Now we are a little extended even getting over that, so big upper wick here closing that way. Don't know about that. I'm going to jump into AUVI right here. I'm looking at the 5-minute candle. Maybe I was a little early on that. Okay, now that 5-minute candle failing, so taking a loss first thing on the day. Jan's coming up against that VWAP. It's a little extended here, but I'm going to go ahead and take a chance and see if it can take off and make a move up towards the highs. My stop loss could get hit there on a pullback. I could see that happening. 15 seconds to go till this candle closes. Again, might have been a little early on this one. Now, can AUVI hold that support at the VWAP? We do have a line that we could draw here. Possibly moving up there on JAN. That's pretty nice. I want to see it hit my target. Although my target is right on that 5-minute candle right here. What I want to avoid is a whip back down. Yeah, see that resistance right in here. You got a double top. I should probably move this down just a little bit. Yeah. Failing here on AUVI, that's okay. Kind of looking at the bigger picture anyways. We have that level down here at 234. There we go. So making $175 on JAN, losing $100 on AUVI, and that puts me at what, $75 on the day so far. I think I have my hotkey set up that I can just switch right down there like that, so you can see the P&L. Oh, here I am looking at P&L. That's a big distraction, isn't it? Missing a bounce here on AUVI. Oh, looking at it go further. So I could have left my order at that resistance level. Remember, my order was right here at the resistance, and it went right through it. I'm still happy. It's okay. Nothing happening on an APVO. Just attacked my microphone, and nothing on the gap scan yet. It's 6:34 in the morning. 5-minute candles will be closing soon, so we got BJDX with a 5-minute candle that's probably going to close with a long upper wick. So looking for further consolidation on that, looking for that 15-minute equilibrium to play out. Maybe I should look for an entry down here below $1.59, maybe, I don't know. So looking for a lower high. Anything below $1.75 is just a lower high. Bulls really need to make, let's see, what time is it? 6:34. I'll let that candle close. So bear flag here anyways. Bulls need to see more room on this move up to get a higher low and a higher high to change the 1 minute trend back to the bulls in order to confirm the temporary bottom has been set on the 5 minute time frame. But I don't see that happening yet. I think if I had to guess that we're going to drop down, form this lower high and get a lower low, I'm not sure I like that. This will be quick. I'm getting right back out again. Didn't like that entry. I got in it looking for an immediate bounce, but then realizing that it looks pretty weak. So, okay, bulls, we're seeing some follow through here. And JAN, I do like this. Decreasing volume on that pullback. So there's that follow through that the bulls wanted on BJDX. And we could see this shoot straight through the high of day. That is very possible. See, I'm taking half of my profit right there on, and I'm taking the rest on Jan. Now I don't want to stop yet. I'm up $200 on the day. That's my daily goal. The problem with stopping at my daily goal every day is that doesn't account for the losses. You can see right here, 337 there, down 125 here, and holding this trade would have worked for me. But you know, never going to get all of them right. So what was I saying? Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, because if I stop at my daily target every single time, eventually I'm going to be taking a big loss. I know it's coming. You know, it's always in the back of my mind. There's a big loss coming. You can't avoid losing days. They're just going to happen. So sometimes I just want to get a little more, because if I do end up having a $400 or $500 day or losing day, that's going to wipe out a couple days worth of profit. But if I were to make $400 or $500 in a day, then, it's not so bad. Yeah, BJDX going right through those highs. I would rather have seen it consolidate first. I would rather have seen the bulls get a high, put in a higher low and a higher high, change that 1 minute trend. Doesn't mean that has to happen. This could be a really strong momentum stock, and we could see it just keep going. Is it frozen up? Let's see. No, it's not frozen. So AUVI trading below the VWAP, JAN trading below the VWAP, APVO also trading below the VWAP, and absolutely no volume. So was keeping an eye on that fourth gapping stock, and not going to have any trades on it. It doesn't look like. That's it there. So there we go. We're back here. The KOLD is on the high day momentum scanner. What? Hold on. Many apologies. I'm going to have to pause this. Pause everything. And here we go. Will there be any more trades for me today? It's going to have to be a good one. I want to see something that I feel really, really good about, because I don't want to give back any of this $200. There's something here. Pulling back to this support. I don't like it because there's still room for it to pull back down to the VWAP. Let me see that 5 minute candle. It's going to close in 20 seconds. So that's where, the next 5 minute candle, I'm thinking, it could pull back a little more. I want something that's going to come down to where I want to get in. I don't want to have to just jump in and cross my fingers and be like, please keep going up. It's got to come to me or I'm not doing it at all. All right, now it is making a move here. Gosh. No, I'm not going to do it. Not going to do it. I'm talking about BJDX. It just didn't give me that pullback I wanted. I'm not going to FOMO in. Huh. APVO. I wonder if APVO had news like on this day. So it's kind of an ABC setup here on BJDX. You had a high. You got the high, the move, the higher low, the lower high. I'd be looking for a higher low possibly to jump in on. 641 and 27 seconds. The average candle is 7 cents. My stop parameter is set to 6 cents. Here goes AUVI. Wow, there it goes. See, I'm not capitalizing on these moves today. I've got my money and I'm just like, I'm holding myself back. It's something I'm always struggling with. Should I trade more or should I stop, you know? I used to just keep trading and give it all back and then go deep in the red. I've been doing this for 4 years, by the way. And I don't know if I'm a slow learner or what, because I hear people talking about how, oh yeah, I'm in my second year and I'm making all this money, and it's like, okay, well, good for you, but I've spent a lot of time studying all kinds of different. Oh, there we go. Oh, the charts are freezing a little. I can't quite tell what's happening here. I want to get in at $1.70. I'm talking about BJDX on that pullback. You see how it's frozen up? Down here on my price ladders, it's at $1.77 and moving up and down between 78 and 74. But up here on the chart, it's okay. Now it's starting to try to catch up. But if I could have gotten in there at $1.73-ish, I probably would have. And now it's down at $1.73 right now, but I can't see the candle, what it's doing. It's about to close. So I'm not going to touch that until the platform starts to smooth out a little bit here. That would have been a really nice bounce to catch that at 73 and catch the bounce, well, a few cents profit. I think we're froze up over here too on AUVI and Jan. Well. Oh, there you go. Oh, I wish I could see what's going on. It looks like it's okay. Pause. I'm gonna pause it. I don't want to miss a good trade because of the platform messing up. So I'm pausing it. Everything's paused right now. Yep. So I'm going to reset the time a couple seconds back. We'll go to 35 seconds. Look at it. Still, the candle's still moving even though it's paused. God, I love technology. It's so awesome. Okay, now gotta load. I actually spent about an hour this morning trying to get everything to work. I had to go reset my router because I couldn't get any of the computers to load anything. I think maybe there's a problem with my service provider today. All right, so that's doing that. Now I have to. Yeah, okay. So I'm hit the down arrow. Now I have to hit this set time button, and that's going to go up there, and it's going to copy that time, and it's going to go paste that. All the other, it's going to put it into a network drive, and then the other computers see that, and they're like, oh, all right, look, there's something new. So they're like, okay, I'm going to do something with that, and then they go and enter that into the times on those computers, and so that everything gets all synced up. And backing up the platform by a couple seconds also resets the servers on the Thinkorswim side of things, so that now that I think we're ready, everything says 6:43 and 35 seconds. Yay! Okay, push and play. Here we go. Got to wait 3 seconds because I already know. I want to buy a pullback right there. $1.75. Oh no, I'm thinking I probably shouldn't have done that. Stopped out right away. All right, giving back $100. Down or up 95 on the day still. That's it for me. Now that's where I have to stop. So I have this rule that let me check my okay. So I have this rule that I don't always follow, but man, it's froze up again. But that if I give back half of my day's profit, I have to stop. Like that's the end. I have to quit. And the reason why I set that rule for myself is because sometimes I can start to spiral out of control and start giving back my profit and then go deep into the red and then try to struggle to try to get all that back. And then next thing I know, I'm even more into the red. Pretty soon I'm down $500, $600, $700, $1,000. And God, coming back from a loss like that, it could take a long time. And not to mention the psychological effect that has on me. So I'm going to stop. I'm up $95. That's $95 more than I had when I started, even though it's fake money. Dang it. So I'm going to be putting out a video here pretty soon talking about my goals and stuff. I'm going to be probably November. I'm having back surgery in November, so I'll be taking a month off work, and that's when I'm probably going to start trading with a much larger account size. So it'll be just like the simulator where I can take multiple trades as much as I want. Only it's going to be real money. So that's the plan. That's my strategy. That's my goal. So once I get it kind of put together and figure out the dates and stuff, when I'm going to be live streaming and all that, I'll for sure let you know. I'm new to this YouTube thing, so give me some time, get it all figured out. And thanks for joining me on these trading days. So up $95. I guess I'm going to call it a day. Thanks for tuning in. We'll talk to you later, and enjoy your trading. Goodbye.